robot makeup. This is how we did it. Let's get right into it. Our foundation, I want you to use the lightest shade that you have because most of our look is going to be silver, so here we go. I'm going to be doing contour. The reason why I have this tape here is this is going to help keep my lines straight. I'm going to take a black eyeliner and I'm literally just going to go right above where the tape is. What we're going to do next is we're going to make like a little joint here so that way it looks like my mouth can move. Connect it and go down. Connect it here so it looks like my actual like jaw piece, and then lovely, and connect them. Put tape right here again so I can kind of keep that line straight here. So to pull in the forehead, we're going to go straight up the middle. And then bring it down. I need a brain slot, so put it here. There we go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a baby wipe and I'm going to clean up my edges. Fine little brush, and you're going to like just cut in where you wiped off, just to make the lines look really nice and sharp. So here we are. Now I want you to take some clear lip gloss and we are going to put it on places that would be highlighted. So just put it here and here. Then once you get all your lip gloss on, we are going to take some silver glitter and we are going to dab it on. Make sure to put a little bit of gloss on your brush, that way the glitter actually will stick. Glitter time. So we're gonna put that all here. We're gonna build it right up too, because like you want this to be blinding. We are a robot, we are metal, we are glowing. So we're gonna put that on all these highlighted spots. So we are highlighted the fudge up, just glowing and sparkling. Now we're gonna do our eyeshadow, put some tape because we're a robot, it has to be sharp. We're going to be using grays in the corners and kind of make like a really outdrawn, smoky look and bring it in. Gonna go in a few times with this. It's not gonna be nothing too crazy with eyeshadow because we are gonna go in with some glitter as well. Going with a darker gray just to kind of make like a really nice gradient as well. A little right there. Now going with like kind of like a white cream here. Give it like a little base on your eyelid. Now we're gonna go in with like a really nice silver. And I want that to get built up really nicely. Because we're a robot, we're going to shine bright like a diamond. I want you to take that silver and kind of highlight some areas that like kind of should be like a contour almost. And kind of go underneath the lines. That way like it just gives you a silver shimmer. So we'll do that here. Do that a little bit on the nose. Like nothing too crazy. Just like enough to be like, oh, I'm a robot. A little bit right there to connect them. Lovely. And then just like a little bit right here to kind of like frame that face in. And do it to the other side. I'm taking this really pretty cream silver. And I'm going to put it right directly at the front here just to give it like more shine. See that? Just a little bit more shine. Now just take that cream silver and do a few little spots just to kind of like really add some intense shine here around, not all of it, but just some of it. Kind of give it like a really cool robot look. See how much shine that gives me? So much more. So I'm going to do some right there, a little bit underneath. Lovely. Little here, kind of accentuate it. Lovely. And cut in as close as you can without ruining it because you want to be really careful. A little up here, a little right there. Nice. And then just a little itty bitty bit right there. And do it on the other side. Fill in the brows. And remember not to touch your face when you do this. Otherwise you're going to smudge some of the glitter possibly. And just make them like almost as sharp as you can. So I go in, do some heavy lines. I'm going to brush it out That way you don't see the harsh lines. Lovely. And then I'm going to use some gel glue to make that work. So put the clear gel right here like you would for an eyeliner, and then we're going to put glitter on it. And then just tap it along, because you can't like really smudge it in. You just gotta kind of tap it and build it up. To finish this look off, I found these like reflective adhesive mirrors at the dollar store. I'm gonna put it in all the spots that I didn't put the silver. Most of the spots I didn't put the silver. This is the final robot look. It is pretty intense, as you can tell. I'm moving my face around so you can see all the glitters and the sparkles and how it looks. I used some light purple Sephora lipstick, and then I just put some Twin Flames Angel Heart over it to kind of give it this like space look. So this is the final outcome. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see you next time.